Formatting is quite easy using map and lambda. See how. Use map array. We are going to use name as array, comma. Second array would be cases, comma. Now we are going to use lambda. So here we have two variables. First is text and second is cases. So text, comma, cases, comma. Now I'm going to use switch. So it is asking me expressions. Expression is cases, comma. If cases is proper, then I will use proper and to proper case with the text, comma. If cases is upper, then I will use upper. If cases is lower, then I will use lower. If nothing is there, then I will use simply text, close the parentheses, close the parentheses, and close the parentheses. And you can see it is a proper case, lower case. Now if I will change this, upper. Is it amazing? See you in next video.